ulit ang Bible. Love means time. And here I will end. Love means time. Ano sabi ng Diyos? Sabi niya, look at this guy. He's a busy person. I assume na siya po ay businessman, traveling, and he's such a busy person. And yet, he was willing to give up the time. Alam niyo bang bakit time ay napaka-importante? Yan ang pinaka-importanting resource meron tayo. Bakit? Kasi yan hindi mo na mababalik. Yung mawala yung pera, mahahanap mo pa ulit yan. Yung oras, pag binigyan mo ng 5 minuto isang tao, hindi mo mababalik yung 5 minuto na yon. Lumipas na yon. Tama ba? But this guy, he was willing to be delayed, to be late to his appointment because he loves this person whom he does not know. Yun ang sinasabi ng Diyos. From eternity past, he was willing to come. Spend time with us. Nagkakaintindihan po? Kaya sa oras, kung mahal mo yung tao, you spend time. If you love God, you spend time with God. You spend time knowing what He wants, knowing His will. Hindi mo sabihin, mahal ko ang Diyos, hindi mo inaalam yung kalooban niya, hindi mo binabasa yung salita niya. Kung talagang mahal mo si God, you will spend time to know what He likes and what He dislikes. Amen po? Kung talagang mahal mo isang tao, you spend time. Yun ang idea. Kaya pansinin niyo po, we must show love through actions that are sincere, not through empty words. You give time. It is a sacrifice on our part. Now, lagpasan natin ito. Sabi niya, kaya tingnan niyo, and he came in, bandaged him, his wounds, pouring oil and wine, put him in his own beast, brought him to an inn, and took care of him. Now, look at what he said. On the next day, he put 2 denarii, gave them to the innkeeper, and said, take care of him. Whatever more you spend, when I return, I will repay you. Grabe yun ha. Yung binayad niyang yun, kayang magstay na ng dalawang buwan yung mama doon sa inn. Sabi niya, I will take care. Ito, bayad na in advance. You take care of him. Wine, oil, lahat ng baon niya, binigay niya na. Pero sabihin, haba pa ng biyahe ko, dami ko pang pangailangan pera. It doesn't matter. The point is, he was willing to die for someone he did not know, but someone he knows needs something. Yun ang challenge sa atin. And that's love.